Hello everyone. This is the project on creating an inclusive school. The topic of the project is to review the ICT tool for disabled students. Not being able to speak isn't the same as having nothing to say. Prologue2Go app puts the user's development first with innovative features based on clinical knowledge and user research. It is also one of the few augmentative and alternative communication apps designed to support all deaf and dumb people from beginning to advance. This app is completely customizable and designed for the range of fine motor and visual skills. The app is versatile and makes it useful for nonverbal people with autism, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, and a range of other diagnoses or speech impediments. Grow and development. The research study shows that 200 to 400 words make up 80% of what we say, known as core words. They act as a basis of this app. The users can develop from single words to full grammatical sentences in the comprehensive app. The research based core word vocabulary which works with best practices like modeling to grow language skills. No limit on language development and fringe word vocabulary of 10,000 plus words and customizable vocabulary levels. It helps the users the gradually to learn vocabulary by revealing words step by step with progressive language feature. Now let us watch a video on this app.
My name is Tommy. Dog.
My name is Rose. Hand mixer, give. Me. Hand mixer.
My name is Emily.
I love it. That was so cool. I love it. That was so cool.
Communicate with ease. Smart features and a handy layout make navigating and using the app simple. Core words stay in the same place throughout the vocabulary to aid motor planning. Customizable folder organizations, that is, you can also create your own folders easily based on a thematic templates. Designed for a range of fine motor and visual skills with the options like 23 pre-programmed grid sizes and accessibility settings which supports the scanning. Use it your way. Everything from the vocabulary to the appearance can be changed. Add your own buttons for the most important things in your life, choosing from 25,000 symbols or using your own photos. There are over 100 free natural sounding text to speech voices across all languages, including children's voices. Supports bilingual use, including switching languages in mid sentence. Use of regional language and accent with voices in British and Australian English, European and Canadian French, Castilian and American Spanish, Dutch and Flemish. Uses of this app. In this app, users can open this app and begin to use it with effective communication immediately. This app is a very easy to use communication app for people who cannot speak or need help being understood. It has the features of natural sounding voices, including real children's voices, It is a simple yet powerful augmentative and alternative communication apps. This app is designed to help teachers and therapists empower kids to have limited or no speech with an alternate way to communicate. It uses an adaptable and multi-sized grid format to present images on words on buttons. Buttons represent different groups of items, actions, little words, and more. It is designed to promote growth of communication skills and foster language development through research based vocabularies. Thank you.